Did you cheat?
Cheating is a must, though. Cheating is a must. I would not. I will not. I will not come and be
Mislead.
misleading or trying to back myself
Okay.
or to prove that I'm a saint. That kind of thing, no day. But the only thing is that is there respect in that relationship,
Okay.
respecting the gender or respecting the person that you are in the relationship with.
Good ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Double Grace, Dojin 2K guy. I'm here with my boss.
Yeah, you can call me Crisco or you can address me as epitome of hype.
Okay, okay. Nice meeting you, boss.
Welcome.
Nice meeting you, boss. Okay, boss. As we dey like this, I just want just dey here, ask you some question and also play a game with you.